back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Jazz. I'm back with another video today, and if this is your first time seeing this face, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And if it's not your first time here, thanks for coming back. I appreciate y'all for watching my videos. And today, oh y'all, look at my head. Anyway, I gotta take these out because yeah, getting a little rough. But anyway, so today I got an unboxing video for you guys. And yes, this is another Puma video, as you can tell. And I recently just started working out, you guys. So I was like, you know what? All my shoes are just they're not workout proof. Like, I don't want to be walking around in my Jordans or like doing squats in my Jordans or my Yeezys. I mean, I probably could, but who wants to do that in those kind of shoes? So I decided to get me some workout shoes, you guys. And these are new. I've been seeing them around and I thought they were super cute. And I did see them on Instagram and on the Puma website. So I was like, you know what? These are different. Let me go ahead and try these out. I don't know as for sizing yet, but once I do try them on, I will be able to let you guys know. I did get them. They are in a pink color, and I think they do come in. Ooh, this box looks small, y'all. They come in a black color, and I was like, you know what? I really don't want pink. I always like shoes that stand out. So I decided to get the pink and white color because I thought the black was just, I don't know, it was a little boring to me. Like, it was black and it had like a little gold piece on the back. But these are the Provoke XT women's, and they are in the size 8. They are in the size 8. I don't think they had these in kids sizes, so I did have to get the women's. But these are my first time like seeing these in person. I've never seen them in person. So, okay. They're kind of cute. I like them. Look at these. They have that mesh overlay, and then it says that it has like a jewel piece on the back, and it's supposed to provide support for like workouts. But as you can see, it's a very thick piece. It's really thick. And then on the back, it does have this Puma logo, and it is in green, neon green, as you can see. And then on the front, it has that Puma logo on the front. And it just has the mesh overlay. And then this part right here, it's just like, it's not really leather. I don't really know what this is, but hopefully that never comes off. But I really don't do like white shoes like this, but I feel like it would be great for my workout. Okay, so these shoes did retail for $90, and I think that's pretty reasonable for some workout shoes because you need something that's going to be durable, and I feel like these probably are going to be kind of durable. But I feel like $90 is also reasonable because shoes these days are just too expensive, y'all. Like, shoes are above $200, and you know, if you're like me and you're on a budget, you don't want to spend that much on some shoes, especially some shoes that you know that you're going to work out in, you know that you're going to get dirty. So yes, $90 I feel like is very affordable for these shoes. See, on the inside it is pink, you guys, and then on the bottom is pink as well, as you can see. It's got that pink Puma logo right there. So yeah, I think it's super cute. I mean, I feel like it's different. And then this little piece right here is going down that's in black. Like, it's really different. It's not something that I'm used to, so I'm not really sure how I'm gonna like this on my feet. If it's comfortable, I really honestly could care what it looks like, honestly, because I really need something that's comfortable and durable that will be able to last me through my workout. And you see this one has a jewel piece on the side too as well. Yeah, it's very sturdy, so I don't think you'll have to worry about it coming off, because I'm quite sure if you're like me, you were looking around looking for videos of this shoe and you couldn't find one. So yes, your girl came through with the shoe video. Okay, these shoes also, another tidbit for you guys to know, these shoes do have Pro Foam on the inside, and Pro Foam is just like a foam that Puma introduced like in sports shoes, and they put them on the inside of your shoes just to help you out with like different sports and stuff like that. And from the feel of it, y'all, it feels like memory foam. Like, it might even feel better than memory foam. So I'm gonna definitely see how this feels on my foot, but as of right now, like, the inside of this shoe is so soft. Like, not only just the look of this shoe, it feels amazing on the inside, and I haven't even put my foot in this shoe yet. I'm definitely going to be back to tell you guys exactly how this feels on my foot, because for right now, the first impression that I'm getting from this Pro Foam, they need to put this in all their shoes, honestly, because yes, Pro Foam feels fine. All right, let me try these on and show y'all what it looks like on your feet, and we're gonna get right to it. And while you are sitting there waiting, do not skip, do not leave this video. Yes, continue to sit there and wait for me, and subscribe to my channel, okay? Because you ain't doing nothing else. So yeah, subscribe. So yes, y'all, I am back to tell you that I definitely approve of these shoes. Like, when I tell you, let me take it off my foot. When I tell y'all that this shoe feels so bomb on my foot, like, oh my god, like, I don't even know what to say. Like, I thought Yeezys felt good on my foot. No, these feel amazing. I don't know how they're making the Pro Foam or whatever inside of these shoes, but I'm telling you, y'all, it is so comfortable. If you're looking for something that's gonna be comfortable while you're running, walking, standing, doing whatever you're doing, this is definitely the shoe that you want to get, because I'm telling you, it might not be, you know, up to the look standard for you, but when I tell you comfort wise, I don't even know where to begin, y'all. Make sure you check these out. Again, these are the Puma Provoke women's training shoes, and they are fire, y'all. Like, yes, you can't go wrong with this shoe. So as always, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you, dang, did I just spit? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And as always, you guys, don't forget to what? Come back. Bye, y'all.